Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. Today we are going to start our chapter 1, Introduction to Computers. My dear students, in this chapter we will study about place where computers are used and the computer system, secondary storage devices, and about hardware and software, types of software, and so on. So let's start our chapter. You can see on your screen some pictures are given. You can see first one, magic carpet. I already explained about that. We will study in this chapter about place computers are used and the computer system, secondary storage devices, and about hardware and software and types of software. You can see two children are talking about. For what? You can understand by their conversation. First, girl said that my computer is not working. My father says there is some problem with the new software that was installed on it yesterday. Here, girl is saying that her father said her that there is some problem with the new software that was installed on it yesterday in their computer. And the boy said, I am a little confused. What is software? What does it do? So, my dear student, in this chapter, we are going to study about software and what does it do. Now, below that, you can also see that let us enter. Here, you can see color the system unit of the computer which contains the CPU. So, my dear student, this is your homework. You have to color the system unit of the computer which contains the CPU. I hope you all will do at your home. Now, let's come to the next page. Now, we are going to start our chapter. If you see the computer, the first question arising in your mind that what is computer? What is computer? So, for you, my dear students, I want to inform you that a computer is an electronic device that can perform several functions. I am repeating it once again. A computer is an electronic device that can perform several functions. Now, let's start our chapter. A computer is the smartest invention of the 21st century. It is an electronic machine, hardware, you can see machine, hardware that works under the instructions given to it, that is software. Electronic machine, hardware that works under the instruction given to it, software. It can accept data. It can accept data input, work on the data process as per the given instructions, and given the required information, that is output. It can store data and information in its memory for our future use. Nowadays, computers are used in almost all the places because it can do various works for us. Let us study about a few places where computers are being used to do various works. There are so many places where computers are being used. First one, my dear student, you can see in our school itself. We can use computer for preparing lesson plans, test papers, timetable. They are a great source of information and latest updates for the teachers and the students. They are used to maintain the record of the students on a regular basis. Second one, railway stations and airports. In the railway stations and at airport, computers are being used to keep a record of the passengers, generate tickets and keep a track of the movement of the trains and flights. Next one, home. We can also use computer to help us in our studies, to keep us aware of the latest information around the world, to order for things online, listen to music, watch movies and cartoon, etc. There are so many things which help us in studies. We use computer. There are several work. Now next one, hospitals. To help in the diagnosis of diseases and proper treatment of the patient and keep their record, to keep the doctors update with the latest development in the world of medicine. Computers are being used in hospitals. And the next, shops and malls. Their computers are being used to keep a record of stock of items and also prepare bills, accept and execute orders received online, write letters and emails and so on. So my dear students, now I am going to explain it. A computer is the smartest invention of 21st century. Computer is the smartest invention of the 21st century. It is an electronic machine, that is hardware, that works under the instruction given to it. It is called software. It can accept data, that is input, work on the data, that is process, as per the given instruction to the and give the required information, the given instruction and give the required information, that is known as output. And it can store data and information in its memory, and in its memory for what? For our future use, for our future use. But nowadays computers are used everywhere, all the places, because computer do various work for us. You have seen the computer in our school and many places, at railway station, airport at your home, hospital, shops and mall. I already discussed, but for you, my dear students, we are going to repeat once again that in our school, how we use our computer. In school, for preparing lesson plan, we the teachers are using computer, and for making test paper and for making timetable. There are great source of information and latest update for the teacher and the students. You are also using computer in your school for the practical, and computer are used to maintain the records of the students. They can also maintain the record of the students. They are recording the regular basis of your attendance as well as your presence, and they are used to maintain the record of the each and every student in our school of each and every section. Now the next one, railway station and airport. I hope you all are travel with railway and the places, so many places. So if you visited at railway station or at airport, have you seen something in front of the window? So here I want to say that railway stations and airport, they are using computer to keep a record of the passengers, and generate tickets and keep a track of the movement of the train and flight. Railway keep a track movement, and airport and computer at airport keeps the tracking of the flight, where it reaches, when it will come. Now the next one, home. I hope some of you are using computer at your home for your studies, and I also know some of you are using for watching movie, cartoon and listening to music. So fine, that is fine. Mostly at home you have seen your elder brother, he used computer to help in his studies or in her studies if it is your sister. So at home to help us in studies, computer are being used, and to keep us aware of the latest information around the world, to order for things online, that is listening to music, watching movies and cartoon, computers are being used. Now the next one, hospital. I know you all have seen the computer at hospital, at the reception. Now at hospital, computers are being used to help in the diagnosis of diseases, and it also used for the proper treatment of the patient and keep their record, and to keep the records of the doctor, and it also used to keep the doctors update about the latest development in the world of medicine. Now the next one, about shops and malls. Here also I know most of you have seen at shops and malls, computers are kept there for a record of stock items, and it also prepares bills accept and execute orders and received online. Sometimes you might be craving for the pizza, then you are going through the online. So here, and one more thing, very important thing, here write letters and emails and so on. My dear students, I hope you all have understood about the 4 points. Let us study. We already have studied about the few places where computers are being used to do various work. First one is school, railway station and airport, and next one home, hospital, shops and malls. Now I am going to stop here this video. This is the first part of chapter 1. Now we will discuss about this chapter in the next video. Till that, stay at your home, be safe, God bless you.